Hey guys, it's Imacblaine bringing you the 2015 Birds of Prey series Great Horned Owl 1 ounce silver coin with a $5 face value out of the Royal Canadian Mint. It does have a reeded edge, and it features the depiction of Susana Boyle's queen. Now, the Royal Canadian Mint was started in 1908 and started producing bullion in 1988 with the maple leaf. Being very careful, since this is not in a case, I'm going to gently place it down and position my camera. Now this is a 4/9 fine silver coin with a mintage of 1 million coins per coin in the Birds of Prey series. Designer initials ED. There's a lot of little detail in this whole coin. So the coin itself is 3.29 millimeters thick by 38 millimeters in diameter. And here on the back, I said it wrong, it's not Susana Boyle, it's Susana Blunt. Here up on top, this one does have milk spots. There's the milk spots. And you can hear that clanking noise. That was me dropping the loop on this. You gotta be very careful. Even gloves will cause scratching to a coin. The alternative being using your hands can cause smudging. You get some beautiful colors from the LED of the loop. So this is a 2015 coin, but in 2018 they came out with a process called Mint Shield. And Mint Shield is supposed to help keep the spotting down, the milk spots. You can see all the fuzzies, and you can really see the milk spot when I start to use this LED light. I'm sorry, black light. This is a black light that I use, and I use it on every single video that I make. It helps you define scoring, damage to the coin, milk spots. If it's inside a package, then it helps you see all the fuzzy pieces like you can see in my cloth here. Overall though, the owl itself is very detailed. But that's about it for this coin. With a mintage of 1 million, it should not be hard to find. And it is an absolutely stunning coin, so much detail within the feathers. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, it really does help us out. And before I say goodbye to you guys, it came in this case from Atmix. And this is an airtight which fits it perfectly. Alright, so once again, thank you guys for watching. Most importantly, you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.